guys, so I'm here to share a little bit of a luxury haul, collective haul, unboxing, maybe not unboxing, more of a haul, because I've used these things except for one because it's not hot enough yet in New York City to use it, but I've used most of these things a lot recently. So let's get into this video. I'm going to show you what luxury items I've been buying lately. Alright guys, thank you so much for returning if you're a returning subscriber. If you're new here, thank you for choosing to click on my video. I am so in love with luxury designer items. I've been slowly collecting them as I have gotten older, and one of my favorite brands is definitely Balenciaga. It's one of my favorite brands, and I've been lucky enough to be able to really catch some good items on sale from Balenciaga recently and in the past. So I'm going to go ahead and share those items with you, and then I have one item from Goyard that I do want to share with you guys as well. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this little luxury haul. Alright, so these next two items that I'm going to show you actually were a gift from my husband for this past Christmas. So I am going to go ahead and share the first item that he got me, which is going to be in this little box here. And I've been using it, but recently I put it away. And it does come with a little dust bag and all the little cards and things like that, but I don't keep it in there. I kind of just keep it in the box. And it is this little compact wallet. It is in this beautiful salmon sort of color. I like it because it opens up into almost like a full size, so you can go ahead and put your cash in there, and then there are 3 slots inside to put your cards. And then on the front part here, it has the pouch where you can put change and things like that. And so this is really handy when I want a little compact wallet, when I'm carrying a smaller bag, and I've been using it a lot lately. This is full leather and just really cute. He actually picked this out himself for me, which I thought was really nice. So yeah, that's the first little item that I got. It is just so cute. I love this. This is also something I can pass on to a niece or something like that in the future. I love little functional items like that. Right now I'm not using it, so I keep it in the little box that it came in. The next thing I've been using a lot. The next thing is going to be this little crossbody purse here. I love how simple it is. I love the pop of color. I've been recently trying to get into the color more and more, and I've been doing that through accessories, so bags and shoes and things like that. So I love this. This even goes with what I'm wearing today. I love the combination of green and red. A lot actually. So yeah, I really love this. It fits a lot of stuff. It has this cute little boxy shape. It's a little bit more structured. It just says Balenciaga in black on the front. It has an adjustable crossbody strap, which I love, and then in the back it has a slip pocket, which is really handy for your phone or anything you need to quickly get to. And it's really big. It goes the length of the bag so it can fit your phone. I really love it. The inside is lined with black leather. There's another slip pocket here on the inside, which I love. Just has a little tag in there. Keep the little tag in there. And then it's just a big open hole. I really love this. I think it's so cute. It was such a good addition to my little collection, and I love the shape. It's not quite like a square. It's a little bit more rounded on the side, so it reminds me really of like the Gucci bag or the YSL little sort of camera bags, but it's Balenciaga. So yeah, really love this. Again, I love this color, and this was another present from my husband. The next item that I got actually was from the Nordstrom designer sale. They have a designer sale about twice a year, and they announce it on their website, and they'll send you an email if you shop at Nordstrom. And I normally get a few things, but this time I only got one thing, and it is again Balenciaga, and I got these for the summer. So it comes in this box, and I guess you can tell what it is from it being in this box. I haven't worn them yet, but I am excited to wear them. So obviously when you get your designer shoes, they come with their little dust bags. Let's go ahead and show you what I got. Guys, I told you I'm trying to get into color. So this is a really cute little jelly slide. It's in that sort of like Birkenstock style, you know. So this looks like it's going to be super duper comfortable. So it's in this beautiful neon sort of green color, and it's like a jelly sort of see-through material, and it just has the little buckles on the front. It does say Balenciaga, but these are understated. I love that it just doesn't scream designer or anything like that. So yeah, I got these little bad boys. I cannot wait to get them. So they are originally $450 and they were on sale for $270, and I think I even got them for less than that. I must have paid like $200 or maybe even less than $200, maybe a little under $200. So I think that's a really great buy, from $450 down to $200. If you shop at Nordstrom or Saks, Bergdorf Goodman, you should definitely wait for their sales and things like that, unless there's, you know, obviously a really popular thing that maybe never will go on sale that's really classic. That's when you want to purchase full price, but normally I wait for sales, and that's when I go ahead and get my luxury goods, because I'm like, I need a little bit of a deal, you know. It's still expensive, but it doesn't hurt as much when you get a nice little deal on it. Alright guys, last but not least, and maybe the most exciting, is going to be this beautiful Goyard Anjou mini tote bag. It's full because I'm using it currently, but look at this beauty. So I got it I have it in the green color. I love this. Me and my best friend actually made a trade on our handbags, and I gave her my large St. Louis tote from Goyard, and she went ahead and gave me this little baby that she just got recently. It just did not work out for her, but she wanted a larger tote anyway, so we made the trade, and that's amazing. I was so very happy. This is a bag that's very hard to get, so yeah, I love it. It is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It is reversible. Unlike the St. Louis tote, you can reverse the Anjou totes because they have a leather lining and they have a solid color on the inside. So honestly, this side is supposed to be worn on the inside. This is the side that has the seams on it, but I prefer to have the print showing. So I wear it like this. I really love it. I think it's really sweet. It's really cute. I call it my little old lady bag. I absolutely love it. So yeah, really happy with that. So those are all the luxury items that have recently found their way into my collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Yeah, let me know what you guys have been purchasing lately. Have you been buying anything? I haven't been buying too much, but when there's a little bit of a sale and there's a special occasion like my birthday that recently passed or the holidays, then I'm like, okay. And it doesn't hurt that a few of these items were gifts. So yeah, let me know what you guys have been purchasing lately, or what's on your wish list. What are you going to be purchasing in the future? I want to know. Let me know in a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are already a returning subscriber. As always, I appreciate you so very much for coming back and watching my videos, and I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.